P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
There was a glass.
And that's it. This morning, I went for a piss, and I tried to sleep on my left side, but my shoulder was throbbing a little bit if I put any pressure on it. And I tried my right side and could not get to sleep.
Purest of strikes from Alexander Isak, but all credit to Mohamed Salah. He does exceptionally well there. He just kind of out-muscles Campbell, and then the little ball in there. Richards doesn't quite deal with the header. It's Campbell that's a little bit slow to come out there, and he plays Alexander Isak on. They carry on. Is going to plead his case all the way through.
Special thank you to you absolute legends. There's your names down there, guys. Honestly, you guys, you're so kind for supporting my little channel. Honestly, I've got a little bit of life left here. Enjoy the rest.
And cold after cold. Triple Multi Intensive and suitable even next to sensitive skin. Very scent boosters from wild freshness that lasts and lasts.
The Whopper from Burger King. Now juicier and tastier than ever. Whopper never tasted so good.
Hunting Britain's most prolific shoplifting gangs. These guys have extensive criminal histories across Europe. Police interceptors taking down the shoplifting gangs. Stream now on 5.
Could undermine his case.
There were influences there that I was worried that they might try to make more of.
On March the 22nd, 1994, Rod Smith makes his closing argument. Despite Rollins' confession,
You're going to give the death penalty. It doesn't happen that way.
he concludes by urging the jury to make the right decision.
Well.
Strange and frightening.
I wouldn't go so far as to say that.
How do I do that exactly? It's hard to say. It's causing trouble mostly.
And you don't mind?
Oh, we're a team. We help each other out.
Well, in that case, Wayne, what's the best way in with a luscious redhead?
That pelt.
Look,
clearly you two had a thing and she dumped you, but maybe you can share a tip on how to open the cookie jar, you know? Get some tasty ginger snaps.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.